Hello and welcome to another video. This is Mohammed Bakri from Community of Babel. Today we are going to discuss the object pronouns in Egyptian dialect. So object pronoun is used when the verb is not, you're not the subject, of course, so the action is done to you. So for example, here we use the verb sa'ala. Sa'al, it means he asked. So if I want to say someone asked me, he asked me, sa'alni, sa'alni. So we added ni, okay? Sa'alni, sa'alni. He asked me, okay? So sa'alu, sa'alu. Here he asked him, sa'alu. So here just notice something. Here the dhamma is not actually on the ha, but it's the last letter of the verb. So here the verb sa'al, okay, we added here dhamma. So in the first one, it was here like sukun, sa'alni, sa'al. Here the last letter of the verb is has no vowel, so sa'al, like you stop, and sa'alni, he asked me. But here we put dhamma, so sa'alo, sa'alo, it has to end with oh, this sa'alo, okay? He asked him. Of course, I'm using here a verb in the past, but you can change the verb with a verb in the present or even in the future form. It doesn't matter, but the most important thing is, of course, this attachment, these last letters, because they change according to the pronoun, of course. So the next one is ha, ha, and here it's sa'alha, sa'alha. There is sukun again, sa'alha. Okay, we added ha, means he asked her. Okay, the next one is ak, ak. So sa'alak, sa'alak. Here we put fatha on the last letter. Ak must end with ak. So sa'alak, sa'alak. He asked you. And here you are talking to a guy. So he asked you, you're talking to a guy. So sa'alak. Okay. Here if you're talking to a girl, sa'alik, sa'alik. Here the kasra again, here is on the lam. Okay, underneath the lam here. So sa'alik. And it's not with the kaf. Sa'alik. Okay, so this is the singular group. So let's see the next group. Okay, the last group is the plural, okay, and it's na, na, if we're talking about us, okay, sa'alna, sa'alna, he asked us, and here there is sukun, so sa'alna, sa'alna, okay. The next one is sa'alku or sa'alkum. Actually, this depends a little bit on the accent of the person you're talking to, and they are equally used, ku or kum. So you just have to know that this attachment, it means you in the plural. Okay, so sa'alku, sa'alku, or sa'alkum, sa'alkum. So it means he asked you. Okay, plural. And it doesn't matter if it's a group of guys or girls, it doesn't matter. This is not like Egyptian, not like Modern Standard Arabic for you who studied Modern Standard Arabic. So this is a little bit different. So the last one is sa'alhum. Okay, sa'alhum. We add hum. Hum is for the plural. It's like them. Okay, he asked them, sa'alhum. Okay, and there's sukun here for the last letter of the verb. It has no vowel, and here the same. Okay, so sa'alhum, sa'alhum, it means he asked them. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you for watching, and see you in other videos.